and welcome to our ribbon cutting and celebration of one of our new locations for one of our DMV NOW Kiosks. I'd like to also welcome the Huntington Chamber of Commerce and other local supporters, and to offer a thank you to Kroger's here in Huntington for allowing us this event and opportunity. I'm Everett Frazier, Commissioner of the West Virginia Department of Motor Vehicles. And this is my first ribbon cutting, opening a new kiosk location, which we know will provide more accessible service to our customers. Two of our most popular DMV transactions are featured on this kiosk. Renewing your vehicle registration, renewing your driver's license with no changes to your address. You can also print your driving record. As Commissioner, one of my goals is to ensure that each customer is treated like a guest. And even though this kiosk is not in one of our regional offices, we strive to make the transaction and experience as easy and quick as possible. We know your time is valuable. Also want to continue to enhance technology, including at the kiosk and our online services, to continue to shorten lines at our regional offices. We want to take advantage of the convenience that the kiosk offers when you're in Huntington shopping here at your local Kroger's. It is an opportunity to do your DMV business and pick up your groceries and take care of two things at one time. Please don't hesitate to go to the DMV website, dmv.westvirginia.gov, before visiting our kiosk or our regional offices to be sure you have all the necessary documentation. Again, I thank you for being here today, and I'm excited for the future of the DMV and its services it's going to offer in the future. Again, thank you.
I'll be brief in my comments. I just want to say anytime you can have access to government, anytime you can have the opportunity to do the business of government here at a convenient location like Kroger's, we appreciate it. Thank you, Commissioner, for being here today, for bringing the DMV to Huntington again. I know we've seen this at other Kroger locations, been successful there. It's a great location right by the registers. I'm sure it'll get used a lot. Say again?
24/7.
24/7, that's right. Kroger's appreciates that too. 24/7 location. Hopefully it can be of help to people, and we appreciate you being here today. Thank you.